Hello everyone and welcome back to my show Unfiltered with Mike. Today, NFL students are very popular among these days, and we have to know how they are very popular and how their English is very good. So, for this, we have invited our guest, Miss Ashi. How are you?
I am fine, and what about you?
I'm also. So, I will ask out some questions about related to his journey so that we get our inspiration and the person who have doubts clear about it. So, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Ready. So first of all, I want to ask: have you ever think in your mind that you will invited to our show, and how are you feeling to coming to our show?
I am feeling very great in your show because it is a very famous show. So it's my dream to come to your show.
The first question the students ask about NFL is that why NFL is popular and why should we join NFL?
Okay, NIFL is famous for their personality changement. Like a person have a problem like personality issues to go to the NIFL and change their personality. And the NIFL is also famous for English speaking communication skills. Like the most of the people of India do not know how to speak English in a very good manner, like the accent also. So that is why you have to join
So there are a
NIFL.
lot of reviews I see on it. So all these are reviews genuine or fake reviews?
No, no, no. All the reviews are genuine because NIFL is working on the student and they are teaching the student very practical session, giving to the practical session.
What you learn in your NFL journey?
Okay, I have learned so many things like to speak in English. If I am sit here in front of you and I am speaking English in front of you because of NIFL, NIFL gives me confidence and also my personality enhancement. Lots of things NIFL.
Okay. The main thing and the main thing about any when we join any coaching institute is that the sir will teach something. So what you want to say about your sir, Pradeep Agarwal sir?
I want to say about my sir that he is a very kindful person and also he is a very intelligent and whenever he teach very brilliant and I just love his teachings.
Is they paid you any money for or is this genuine? I'm just asking.
No, no, it's a genuine review. If you have a doubt, so go to the my coaching and just take up 1 month's class and you will recognize that sir is teaching very best.
I want to ask any emotional moment you feel in your NFL journey or like if you want to share.
Not a emotional moment, but when I started my NIFL journey, so there were so many students on my bench, but after 2 3 months they all have gone. So it's for me emotional that all my friend has gone outside and they just left the job NIFL.
So the last question is that what student find in this NFL coaching in which they don't find in other coaching?
Okay, according to me, student will find like to speak English in front of others like foreigners, strangers, public speaking because NAFL gives you opportunity to go outside and speak English in front of the people like public speaking, blogging, and also personality enhancement and also I said confidence. NAFL gives confidence and also communication skills.
So I just want to ask like what task given by sir? Like, what
Okay,
task?
sir has given so many tasks like to outer session and outer presentation sessions. Animals have issues of personality like to they are not able to stand on stage and they are not able to perform on the stage to so many audience. So sir give them opportunity to stand again and again and to speak in front of the audience.
So thank you for asking our question. So I hope you audience are able to decide you should join NFL or not. But from my point of view, I personally like NFL student. I meet them personally and I find it very genuine and good. And you can see the example there. So I hope you also like my this podcast and please watch my show every day. And so thank you. Everybody.
Thank you.